What's going on, YouTube? Check it out, y'all. So it's been a couple days. I let the pineapple sit on there and kind of fully turn yellow. I'm gonna take it off now, y'all. We do have another beautiful crown on this pineapple, y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this pineapple off today, right now. And I like to stick them in the fridge, y'all, and before I cut, that way the pineapple itself will get cold and also help keep it fresher. So what we're about to do right now, y'all, is these little crowns right here are super sharp, y'all, so be careful. I'm gonna go ahead, and this is a little bit of a smaller pineapple, but it's a really beautiful looking pineapple, y'all. So I'm just gonna kind of give this a twist here, y'all. Remember, I'm using one hand. There we go. A twist and a pop. And you can see here and here we have, this one didn't really give off any babies, as you can see. And in this pot we actually have 3 pineapple plants, y'all. And the mother pineapple that I ever first grew was actually grown in this pot right here, y'all. You can see it's taking a beating. Still holding up with duct tape. But look at that, y'all. We got 3 pineapple plants in there. One that I just harvested a fruit from, which is this one. We have 2 more pineapple plants in there, y'all, and very beautiful pineapple, y'all. Let me show y'all here. This is also, I still have the one that I just harvested last. Remember, I like to keep them because you just might see a baby pop up, y'all. You can see it's still green. But I did harvest 2 babies off here, and I will be making a video about planting those. They're already getting their roots. So you can see, y'all, we just harvested our pineapple. So let's get a nice little view here of this pineapple. Let me see here, y'all. You can see that. Let me get more in the light. Now y'all can see it a little better. There's our pineapple. Really nice looking pineapple, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it in the fridge for a couple days and just get ready to cut it, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And let me give it a little smell. Man, this pineapple smells really sweet, y'all. Super good smelling pineapple. Little ants on there. Couple little ants. They've been enjoying the little pineapple themselves. Let me get them off of there. But alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get this pineapple in the fridge. And thank you all for watching again. Peace out. What up, YouTube? Check it out, y'all. So, been a little while, but finally about to cut the pineapple. It's been in the fridge. So I'm gonna give y'all one more look here. It's ready to cut, y'all. Got the crown right there. One last look at the pineapple. So to begin with, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off right here. We got our crown, just like all the times. We'll put that aside. I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing up my pineapple here, y'all. Go ahead and cut this bottom piece too. Alrighty, y'all. So there we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut around it. Now, I've been needing to cut this one, y'all, but it's just been in the fridge. It's been staying pretty fresh. Smells really sweet. Smells really good, y'all. So I'm gonna turn her over, kind of clean up here a little bit. When I cut the pineapples, I just try to keep as much meat on, but taking off as much as the shell as I can, as you can see. Could always, if you really wanted, you know, you spend so much time growing these pineapples, go in there, eat a little bit of that meat. If you want. I mean, that's the fruit right there, y'all. Why waste it, right? Alright, y'all, so that pineapple's tasting good. Did wait a little bit to cut, but it still has plenty of flavor. And it still is plenty sweet, y'all. So now I'm just going to clean it up a little here. Alrighty. Let's cut me some chunks here. And we will be eating this one right away, y'all. So you can see here. I'll bring y'all in here real quick for a nice view. Now, it's a little dark because it did wait to cut it. That does not mess with it at all. Here's a beautiful crown right here, y'all. For a nice little, excuse all the mess right here, y'all. So, just take a nice little quick snapshot there. Bring y'all in. A little bit dark because it is been fully ripened. And it did take me a little while to cut it. I like to just kind of keep them alive a little bit before I kill them. But alrighty, let's get a little taste test here. Beautiful crown right here, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll get the bottom. See, that's the bottom right here. Alright. Alright, here we go, y'all. It's good, y'all. Nothing bad with it. The first one was definitely a lot sweeter because I cut it sooner. Put a little tahini on here. Fresh homegrown pineapple, y'all. Little trechas. Yeah, I just knew I had this pineapple sitting in the fridge. I was like, you know what? I need to cut this pineapple, yo. If you go pineapple, you can see how soft that meat is. Still plenty sweet. Plenty juicy. Right there, y'all, where it came off the plant. So I'm gonna let sauce get you later. And slice them up, take it off the circle here. Make some Kool-Aid, put it in the Kool-Aid, y'all. Some little chunks in the Kool-Aid. Can never go wrong. Alright, y'all. It's good. I'm about to go share some with the family. And thank y'all for watching. Guess I'll catch you in another 1.5 years, 2 years for the next pineapple. Peace out. Thanks for watching.